Hello, good morning, viewers. I am S. L. Pujar, retired high school teacher from Anganwadi, Taluk of Giri, District Belgaum. Today I am going to present brief history of Ullagatti Khanapur, Taluk of Giri, District Belgaum. If we peep history of Khanapur, there we will find old Jaina Basati which is renovated, and old Hanuman temple which is also reconstructed, and we see medieval periods fort wall, and fort wall is also demolished. Some of the parts are visible, and the main part of the fort is also completely destroyed. To understand history, we go through the inscriptions. 7 inscriptions are there at Khanapur, and 6 inscriptions were already studied by the great scholar Yambi Negnal, and those have been published in Chali Sanchike from Hampi Kannada University. One inscription I found with the help of localites just behind Hanuman temple. These all 7 inscriptions give light on Khanapur's history. First of all, I am going to say the text of the inscription. The inscription is at Jaina Basati in the present days. The inscription is well preserved there, first of all, that we have to understand. The inscription is inscribed just behind the slab of Bahubali Tirthankara idol, which is containing 19 lines. That is inscribed in Kannada scripts and Kannada language. What the text we have to understand? What is the text we have to understand first of all? It begins from Jinastuti. I will read 2 lines. Srimat Parama Gambira Shadvada Mogalanchanam Jia Trailokyanatashya Shasanam Jina Shasanam. In this way, the inscription begins from Jinastuti. And Chalukyan Empire was widespread in those days. Emperor Jagadeka Malla was belonging to Kalyani Chalukya dynasty, controlling his empire. And he is a feudatory leader, Kattamadeva Arasa, Mahamandaleshwara of Ratta dynasty. Kattamadeva Arasa, who donated 100 kammas to Kanakaswamy, who was belonging to Jaina community. He was a great Muni, and his particulars are mentioned here. He was belonging to Ponnaga Vaksha and Moolagana. The donation was given in the year 1144 AD, and also some particular almanac information is given here. Rudirodhara Savatsara Vaishaka Monday. The donation was given to Kanakaswamy. Here, in the olden days, Jaina community had Kula Gotras, Ganagachas. They were very particular about regarding these particular subsets and subclasses like Vaidika Brahmana Kshatriyas. For example, I am going to take the name of Gangas of Talkad, who were belonging to Ikshvaku Kshatriyas. Later on, they embraced Jainism. And if you study 24 Tirthankaras of Jaina community, they were also belonging to royal families of India. Vanshas were different, Ganagachas were different, their munis were quite different from one another. Nowadays, Ganagachas are not being practiced by commoners, but munis are having concern with them. Totally, this Bahubali slab inscription is going to give information regarding Khanapur. Khanapur was a Jaina center, and the basically having concern with Moolagana Vannalaksha. Thank you.